Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan. I'm gonna try something fun today, I hope. I went to Hobby Lobby and they had these Dragonfly glazes. It's color changing top coat with a gloss finish. So it's like a clear, well, dry clear. It's like milky in the thing, but you can, I hope you can see. Let me turn my overhead light on real quick. Okay, I usually turn my overhead off because it puts a glare in the painting, but hopefully it'll show this off. So it's basically, it's a top coat that's kind of like a fly eye. This is gold, red, violet shift, and I also got this violet, blue, green shift. And I'm just going to try them in a pour like I would normal paint. I know it's going to be clear, except for that color changing, but I'm thinking that by the time, you know, the way paint mixes when you're pouring it, that it'll kind of intermingle. Oh my goodness, sorry about that. It'll intermingle a little bit and just kind of create something really neat, and we'll find out. Because they look really fun. So I'm going to keep it very basic. I have some white, I have some Arteza pouring acrylic colors that's already, I don't know if you've used these or not. If you haven't, they're already ready to go. They're the perfect consistency for pouring. If you want cells, sorry, I'm wobbling this table like crazy. If you want cells, you can add silicone. Otherwise, they're just ready to go. And then I have the Phthalo Green. This probably has some silicone in it, I'm guessing, because I used it for something else already. So I'm going to use this color. So I have black, green, white, and then this color shifting. And I'm just, whoops, I got a little green in that. And I'm just going to keep it at those 4 colors because I really want that to shine, so we'll see. So I'm going to do a well, I think I'll just do a double swirl. Oh, what the heck, let's do a triple swirl. So I'm just gonna, and I don't have silicone in the white. I don't think I have silicone in the black. I've used it before, but you don't think it does. And just to keep it simple, again, let's just do the colors all in the same order. And I think I'm gonna sandwich this color shift in the white and the black, because I think the white and the black is really going to, I think that's where it's really gonna shine. Isn't that black and white? And I didn't mix a ton. Maybe I should have mixed a little bit more. We'll see. So I don't know. I'll have to see how this is gonna dry. You can see it, I hope, where it's kind of it's going over the black. You can sort of see what it's gonna do to it. I don't know. I'm excited. I'm excited to give it a try. I've tried other color shift, but I've never tried a color shift. I mean, this is meant to be a top coat, so it doesn't have any color of its own other than that fly eye color shifty thing. There, my white is sinking. So much for sandwiching. That's okay. I did not mix this with any Floetrol. My white is mixed with Floetrol and water. Obviously the Arteza is already pre-mixed. This I didn't want to cloud it up with any Floetrol. I know Floetrol dries clear, so it wouldn't have you know, made a difference in the drying process, but I kind of wanted to see it wet, so I just added water to this. And it didn't mix quite as well as like a regular acrylic. Well, I can't say as well, because it came together really nicely, but it didn't, it was gloopy at first. It needed to be mixed really, really well. A little more black. And I might add just a teensy bit more green, but not much. Green's kind of floating. We don't want it to take over. Okay. So there we go. And what do I want to put on my canvas? Because I don't have a ton of white. I'm not gonna flood my canvas because I don't have enough white mixed. Ooh, I am gonna turn the overheads off though. Hang on a second. Okay, the overheads just end up glaring. So, ooh, look at that, kind of neat in the cup. This is a perfect St. Patty's Day pour. And out comes the green. That's what I thought. This green is gonna wanna. I have a feeling this green is gonna rule the day. Want to rule the day. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Here comes that third one. I'll have a link to this cup in the description. It's just a formula cup from Walmart, a travel baby container. I just happen to have one in my cupboard because I have little ones and I had, you know, formula. So it's just, you can get it with the bottles in the baby section. So yeah, in the baby department, buy the bottles. Those little 3 compartment cups are. Yeah, see, I didn't use a ton of that green, and it is just, it wants to take over. I'm glad I didn't use any more than I did. But that color shift is shining. I don't know if you can see it, but it is really sparkling. Now the white's trying to rule the day. Okay, there's definitely silicone in that green. Oh, can you see it? It looks very purpley. That's interesting. I don't see much of the red or the orange, but I do see that purple. That's kind of cool. Let's go back this way because get some of that green and black stretched out a bit. That's kind of interesting, isn't it? Let's do some close-ups so you can see. I'm kind of looking at it from the side, and it looks like instead of like staying in separate areas, oh, I'm a mess. It's really, I mean, the whole canvas is sparkly. So it's just, it's immersed itself in all of the colors. Okay guys, super quick. It is dry, so I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And really when I came in and looked at it, I didn't notice, but it really, really shines when you look at it in the light. And it mostly just shows in the black, not in the green or the white. So it dried really nicely though. But yeah, interesting effect with that one. Happy pouring!